Hey guys, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to add a beneficiary for your UAE bank transfers. So firstly, launch the app on your smartphone and log into the account. On the main dashboard, tap on the cash out option. After that, choose the bank transfer option and proceed with adding a beneficiary. Provide the following information after: the beneficiary name, bank account number, IBAN, and nickname. After entering the details, save beneficiary for future transactions. Enter the amounts you wish to transfer and complete the transaction by confirming with your PIN. After that, if you want to add the beneficiary for international transfers, here we go. On the Payit app's main screen, tap on Send Money. Select the country where you want to send money. Choose the preferred method, such as bank account or digital wallet, depending on the recipient's setup. And of course, provide this kind of information this time: full name, bank account number, bank name and branch, SWIFT/BIC code, contact information. After entering the details, save the beneficiary for future ease. Enter the amounts to transfer, review the exchange rates and fees, and confirm the transaction with your PIN. And that's pretty much it. This is how you add the beneficiary for both transfer types. If this video was helpful, guys, press like on it, subscribe, and leave a comment if you wish in the comment section to share your experience, and thanks for watching.